There is nothing more annoying than a check engine light popping up on your dashboard when your car feels like it is driving perfectly fine. You do not hear any weird noises. The power is there, but that little orange light is staring at you. If you scan it and see code P0444, you are dealing with the Evaporative Emission Control System, or EVAP for short. Specifically, this code means there is an open circuit in the purge control valve. Let me explain what that actually means in plain English. Your car has a system designed to catch fuel vapors from your gas tank so they do not escape into the atmosphere and pollute the air. These vapors are stored in a canister, and then, when the engine is running, a little valve opens up to let the engine suck those vapors in and burn them. That is the purge valve. The code P0444 means your car's computer. The PISIM is trying to talk to that valve, but nobody is answering. It is like cutting a telephone wire. The signal is just not getting there. While this won't leave you stranded on the side of the road, you might notice your gas mileage drop slightly, and you definitely won't pass an emissions test. The most common cause is usually simpler than you think. It is often just a loose wiring harness or a connector that has rattled apart. Start by popping the hood and locating the purge solenoid. It is usually near the intake manifold. Check if the plug is secure. Look for any wires that might be broken or chewed on by rodents. They love the taste of wire insulation for some reason. If the wires look okay, grab your digital volt ohm meter. With the key on and the engine off, check if you have battery voltage at the connector. If you have power coming in, the issue might be the valve itself. You can measure the resistance across the two pins of the valve itself. If your meter shows infinite resistance, that means the internal coil inside the valve has snapped, and it is time to buy a new purge valve. They are usually pretty cheap and easy to swap out yourself. If the valve is good and the wiring is good, then you are looking at a rarer issue with the computer itself, but almost always, this is just a bad connection or a dead solenoid.